Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Z-Face. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do these fake press-on nails at home myself. I'm using this Miaje Air nails. I don't know if that is a pronunciation, but that is the brand of the press-on nails. So these nails are press-on nails and they come with its own glue, but I'm not going to be using the glue that it comes with it because I feel like I just have a feeling that it's not going to work. So these nails are actually like I can call them mirror nails because I literally see myself when I look at these nails. They're actually like mirrors, so the nails are really beautiful. So I'm just going to go ahead and start measuring the nails onto my fingernails, if you guys understand what I mean. So I'm just going to make sure I measure that up to a point that I don't have any space around my nails. Okay, all the nails just fit into my nails properly well, and I'm just going to arrange that up. So after arranging all of that, I'm just going to go ahead and start gluing my nails. So the glue I'm using is this Alteco super glue. You guys already know this glue, like it's very famous, the 110. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that glue onto the nail, onto the end of the nail, like where my finger is going to, or where my nails are going to be. And then I'm just going to press that onto my my nails, like press that down really well so that the hold is really strong. I want to make sure you don't have any like air bubbles in it, because I feel like when you have air bubbles in it, your nail is easily going to go out. And also your super glue should not touch that gold color you have on, because this is actually like plating. Okay, it's not, I feel like it's not really a gold material, it's just a plating. So you don't want your super glue to destroy that plating that you have on top of that nail. after doing that, I'm going to go ahead with this very small nail file that comes in the nail cutter set. I'm going to go ahead and just file the sharp edges because this nail was really sharp. Like, I didn't really like the fact that it was sharp. I could literally pierce someone with it, so I just went ahead to file the ends so that it just becomes a little bit blunt. And that's pretty much it about this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Do you love this nail, or are you going to rock these nails? I totally love the color, I love the vibe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, thumbs up, click the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.